Comma, comma, comma. So, comma. When do we use commas? Well, most of you know this from level 1. We use commas when we have a list. For example, I study English, Spanish, and German. How many languages? 3. 3 items. 3 in the list. So we have English, comma, Spanish, comma, and German. If we only had 2 languages, English and German, then no comma. So you can look at 1, 2, and 3. You can see they all have 3 items, right? We got green, red, gray. Number 2, green, red, gray. 3, green, red, gray. They all have 3 items in the list. If you have 3 items, we need a comma or more. Number 4, we have they swam, ate, studied, and slept. We had 4, so we need commas. Or number 5, my favorite colors are blue, yellow, green, white, and black. 5 things, so we need commas. So if we have a list of 3 or more things, we use a comma. So now my question to you is, do the below sentences need commas? You can pause the video and take a moment to read, and then you may unpause the video and I'll give you the answers. Answers! I study English. Do we need a comma? Nope, because it's only 1 in the list. He works on Mondays. Do I need a comma? No, 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 no. Why? Because it's only 1 item in the list. She goes to school and takes a walk. 2 activities. 3? 2. Goes to school, takes a walk. No comma. Number 4, she swam and ate. 2 activities, no comma. Number 5, my favorite colors are blue and black. No comma, only 2 colors. If it was 3 colors, then we got comma. All right, so now I want you to read through these sentences and decide which sentences need commas and put them in there. So go ahead and pause. And we're back on pause. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. So we're talking about family members. Brothers, sister, only 2 items, no comma. Number 2, my mother is beautiful and friendly. How many adjectives? 2. Beautiful, friendly, no comma. My father is tall, handsome, generous. Comma. Why? 3 adjectives. Tall, comma. Handsome, comma. And generous. 3 items, we need commas. My sister's children are George, Susan, Lily, and Robert. Whew, that's a lot of kids. Is it more than 1? More than 2? Yeah, it's 4. Remember, if you have more than 2, we use commas. And number 5, I have 2 sons and 1 daughter. 2 sons, that's 1 group. 1 daughter, that's the other. Only 2, no comma. So if you have a list of more than 2 things, 3, 4, 5, 6, use a comma.